This video will help to learn the basics of Microsoft Excel. So this is the Microsoft Excel worksheet that I had created in my video on renaming a new Microsoft Excel worksheet. So I will start with this one. I will first open this Microsoft Excel worksheet. For opening the Microsoft worksheet, I will put the mouse pointer over it. Then I will double click on it. And this click means the left click of the mouse. So double left click. So the Microsoft Excel worksheet opens. These are the menu of the Excel worksheet. This is basically the menu bar. Below it, there is the toolbar under different sub menus. This is the under this insert menu, there are different toolbars. Under page layout, there are different toolbars. So in this way, we have the menu bar and the toolbar of the Microsoft Excel worksheet. This is the sheet 1. We can add many sheets to a Microsoft Excel worksheet, which will be shown later in other videos. First, we need to have an idea of what is a Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this is basically a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Here we have different columns and rows. The columns are marked as A, B, C, D. Innumerable columns are there, and we can add columns to a Microsoft Excel. Then these are the rows of Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now when I click on this is the cursor. I click on this with the left click. This highlighted portion is a cell, and each cell has an address denoted by its position according to the rows and columns. This cell has an address D4. This is column 4 and row number 4. If I click on here, I will get a different cell address, that is G7. That is column G and 7th row. If we click here, we get another cell address, that is M3, that is M column and 3rd row. So these are basically the cells of the Microsoft Excel worksheet. And the click that I am using here is the left click of the mouse. There are various other things to explore in this Microsoft Excel, which will be shown in later videos. How we can use Microsoft Excel for different purposes, for calculation purposes or for diagrammatic representation purposes, for data analysis. It will be shown in the upcoming videos.